Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your soccer equipment supplier business. If you sell soccer equipments, then manually handling all the orders and inquiries can slow down your process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all of these queries and allow customers to place order or automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for soccer equipment supplier business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am sending a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Pro Kick Soccer Supplies. We help teams, coaches and athletes gear up for greatness. Please choose an option." And here it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says Browse Soccer Gear. And our chatbot responds with, "Browse Soccer Gear. We offer high quality soccer equipment. Click on the list below." So here I'm going to open the list. And it provides us 3 options: jersey and uniform kits, soccer balls and goalkeeper gloves. So I'm going to select soccer balls option. I'm going to send it and it responds me with the image of soccer ball and option to add it to the cart. So I'm going to click on it. And it responds me with, "You can add this product to the cart with the link given below." And it has provided me with a clickable link and it says happy shopping. So next I'm going to choose the second option that says track my shipment. And our chatbot responds me with, "Open the link given below and please enter your order ID. Example, this given order ID. Track here," and it has provided us with a clickable tracking link. And lastly, we have an option to contact us. And our chatbot responds us with, "A team member will reply shortly. You can also reach us by email," and they have provided us email address. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for soccer equipment supplier business. To create this chatbot, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's website, and to do that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Soccer Equipment Supplier Business. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template. And when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. If you want to know how to create template, you can check the link in the description box. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of the text button option. Here I'm going to add a welcome message. Here I've added this message. I'm going to use these little star signs because it will make the message appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and professional. Now our message looks like this. With the help of this add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options for user to choose from, such as browse soccer gear, as well as track my shipment, and lastly, I'm going to add an option to contact support. Once we are done curating our first message, we have to create a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with browse soccer gear. And for that, I'm going to access this list option, and here I'm going to provide a header, body and footer. Here I have provided header as browse soccer gear and body as we offer high quality soccer equipment and footer as click on the list below. So far our message looks like this. So here we have to provide section, title and items in the list. Here I have added best selling products in the section and then I'm going to add items one by one. So let's begin with our first title and description. So here I have added jersey and uniform kits. I'm going to leave the description and then I'm going to add my second title as soccer balls and then I'm going to add my third item as goalkeeper gloves. You can add the description if you want. So far our list will look like this. Now I'm going to add images of my given products if the user select one. Here I'm going to add a media box and here I'm going to select media type as image and here I'm going to paste an image of my jersey like this and automatically a URL will be pasted here. Here I'm going to enter my product name, jersey and uniform kits and here I'm going to give an option to add it to the cart. Here I've provided the option to add it to the cart. Similarly, we are going to provide images of soccer balls as well as goalkeeper gloves. Again, we are going to access media option and here I'm going to paste the image like this. And here I'm going to add caption as soccer ball and here I'm going to provide an option to add it to the cart as well like this. And lastly, we are going to provide image goalkeeper gloves with the help of media option. Here I'm going to select media type as image and here I'm going to provide a URL. Paste the image of the gloves. Then I'm going to add the caption as goalkeeper gloves and lastly I'm going to add an option to add it to cart. Like this. Now we have to create a response for add to cart option. And for that I'm going to access the text button option. And here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message. You can add this product to the cart with the link given below. And here we have provided a clickable link. Happy shopping. Now we are going to connect this message to all of the media boxes. Like this. Once we are done curating first response for our first quick reply option, we can move on to the next. That is track my shipment. So I'm going to curate a response for this with the help of text button. Here I have added this message that says open the link below and please enter your order ID, track here. And here we have provided a clickable tracking link for the order. And lastly, we are going to curate a response for the last option that says contact us. So here we are going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to provide all the contact details. Here we have added this message. A team member will reply shortly. You can also reach us by email. Here we have provided our email address. So this is how we have created WhatsApp chatbot for soccer equipment supplier business. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features. If you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're done creating your flow, you can save it from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.